Hi guys, welcome to the channel of the Italian guy. In my channel you can find video recipes of traditional recipe converted into keto whenever it is possible. Video blog of my traveling, I love traveling, and some reviews. Today I will review a nice application from Android that allows us to recover the deleted messages from WhatsApp. Let's see straight away how it is possible. So let's open the Google Play Store and let's type into it anti-delete or anti-delete. I'm not sure of the pronunciation. Let's open it. It's in Italian language, but you will see in English. And now we have to tap the circle on the top right corner of the screen. Allow the app let's give the app the permission it needs. Yes. Allow the access to the notification. Yes. Let's tap the small circle again. Okay. 5 seconds of ads. We can stand it. Okay, great. The service is running and the messages will be recovered and you will see them here. I made a test. You can see this message was deleted and you can see straight away into the app. This message is going to be self-destroy. That's it guys. I hope you liked the app, and if you have any questions please write them down below. If you like the video please share with your friends and help me to grow. Subscribe to the channel and let me know which app review would you like to see next. Have a nice day. Bye.